Welcome back to Cairns and North Tropical Queensland. We had some videos shot in Cairns previously, and I'm back here attending the conference of Council for Australasian Tourism and Hospitality Education. And Cairns and tropical North Queensland is a popular destination in northeast corner of Australia. In 2018, there were 860,000 international visitors to Cairns and 2 million of local visitors. The number of international visitors shrank by 3.3%, but the number of domestic visitors grew by 14.9%. This is my fourth visit to Cairns. In 2007, on my first trip, I actually worked here at a resort that has been closed since 2011. That's not my fault. And on my second trip in 2009, I came here visiting with my mom. And my third trip was to attend a conference in 2016. And this time I'm attending a coffee conference here in Cairns. One of the important objectives for many marketers of products is to generate repeat purchase. The idea is simple. If a person is purchasing a product and likes it, he will like to buy that product again. In case of tourism, the repeat visitation is not very clear. Most research attempts to identify to what extent visitors will come back to the destination through the question about intent to return. But in many cases, the question is quite general, and instead of weighing the possibility of returning, the respondents of these surveys just uses it as a proxy to the satisfaction with their trip. Even in cases when tourists like the destination, they may never come back. McKercher 2012 research suggests that there is no statistically significant correlation between survey respondents stating their intent to return to the destination and actually them coming back. Furthermore, novelty plays a great role as a motivation to travel, so tourists try to go to places they haven't been to. Tourists are not very loyal in that sense. In some cases, repeat travel occurs through the affective commitment to the destination. So a person may establish a long-term bond or relationship with this destination. So this is my fourth trip to Cairns and far North Queensland, and this is where I met my wife. And so I have the affective commitment to this destination. I not only visit it, but I also try to promote it to my friends. I try to share my experiences with others, and I would like to buy locally produced products if they are available at my place of residence.